Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for some family fun outside? Grip has this amazing game called Bottle Smash. It's a lot of fun, easy to set up, and very easy to take with you. My family and I, especially me, are not very good at throwing this little disc here. And so this game is perfect for working on our hand-eye coordination. And it's also just a lot of fun. So there is a whole game with rules and ways to score. I'm not good enough to really do that. My goal is just to knock over this little bottle here. But my son and I can play it, and it's a lot of fun just to see how many times we can actually knock it off. So the first time I set it up, it was a bit far. I wasn't even close. So that's what's great about this. You can rearrange it for however works for your skill level. So we got much closer, and then we were actually able to hit it sometimes, and what a great feeling that was. It comes with a really nice carrying bag, so you can just take it on the go with you if you're at the park and you want something to do. It's a really easy game to set up. It takes about 30 seconds. You just push the little pieces in the ground, and the poles stack up easily. So if you are looking for some really fun times with your family and a way to get everybody outside, this game is a really nice choice and you'll have lots of fun. But that's just my point of view.